Yep.
So before we get started, can you have your arms up here?
Okay.
You want? Yeah, is that more comfortable?
Yeah.
So nothing new, anything jumping out or bugging you in particular?
I'm getting more feeling back in my left arm, but I think that's just, I'm just feeling a little more balanced, but it still feels off. Recently,
pulled up on this.
I've been getting some migraines because of neck tension.
How long has that been going on? You're pulled up on this left.
Maybe 2 or 3 days now.
Oh wow, jeez.
So I was like, all right, maybe it's my back. Migraines because of neck tension.
How long has that been going on? You're pulled up on this left.
Maybe 2 or 3 days now.
Oh wow, jeez.
So I was like, all right, maybe it's my back.
That's tight.
There you go. There.
Start right here. I gotcha. Just loosening you up. I gotcha. That's easy. A little stretch reflex. All right, breath in. And there you go. Drop it. Walk over here. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Good. Bend both legs. And straighten. Alright, starting to move. That's good. Still dropping low though, so we're going to check all that after the pull to chest table. You remember this one, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Hip a second. Relax that down. There you go. Good. Perfect. Nice. There we go.
All right.
I like that seat here. And you're going to lay back this way. Head goes over.
All right.
Okay, just lay down. I'll just set you up here. So I want the tops of your hips down here. So let me just, tops of your hips. Actually, that's a good spot.
Okay.
And you just relax your legs. I'm going to lift them up, okay? There you go. First time ring dinger.
There we go.
I like it. Alright, so these pins are going to keep you in nice and snug, okay?
Okay.
Let me make sure your legs are parallel first here. So I'm going to go past and bring it down to parallel. Right there. Now you don't have to move. I'm just going to put them in, okay? Just like that.
Still works.
Nice and snug. Oh yeah. Not going anywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, lift your head for me. Down. So it's important just to keep your teeth together so you don't bite your tongue. We're going to be doing pulls, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do a little one first so you can feel it. Like that, okay? Mm-hmm. Good? Mm-hmm. Alright. Breath in, teeth together. Good, and let your spine unwind. Wiggle your toes for me too. Perfect. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Breath in, teeth together. Good, let your spine unwind. Wiggle your toes for me too. Perfect. There you go. Good job. Ooh. What'd you feel?
Oh, good amount of pop.
Yeah. The whole thing?
Yeah, so I think throughout the whole, yeah.
That's intense, right?
Mm-hmm.
A lot more than the other way.
Yeah, no.
And just relax your neck. There you go. I got to relax that muscle. Good. Wow, cleared you out. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Mm.
Still kicking.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do some pulls now too, okay?
Alright. Yeah, pinning me in like that really.
Isn't it nice? Yeah.
Gets a full.
Oh, you just relax. What were you saying?
Yeah, you get the full force of the pull.
Yep. Nice. Skip one. There it is. We're going to lower this. Woo!
Yeah.
Let me help you out. Right. Get up sideways, swing those legs around there. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, no, perfect.
Just going to do a little bit here. Good.
Whoa.
Look at that, huh? Just leg roll down. Your hip. Relax that down. Good. It's a reverse ring dinger here.
Yeah, it was.
Good. Very nice. A little bit. Scoot down. One more. One more. One more. Is that okay, Rick?
Yeah.
So that's going to lift up. It's going to drop, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I want your arms straight out. Yep, just like that. Just a tad more. There we go. Good. Swing your legs around. Check your shoulder here too. That's nice. My elbow.
Yeah.
Alright, post adjustment check. Let's take a look. Leg length looks a whole lot better. We're gonna bend. This is the real test. Look at that. That's fantastic. Leg length looks a whole lot better. We're gonna bend. This is the real test. Look at that. That's fantastic. Wow. A little massager on you. So you can be a little sore. That was a lot today.
Yeah, no.
You're pretty stiff. So if you are sore, I want you to use some crushed ice on it, okay?
Okay. If it still feels pretty tight, come back in a week or something like that?
Yeah, I wouldn't go longer than a week
Okay.
until this settles down. But it moved really well. This is already moving better here. Lift your head and down. Wow, that's a lot better. Perfect. Stand up. Let's see how you feel. How you feel?
Good, good.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, that really helped. And then I think just getting everything kind of popped back into place.
So bring your chin down for me. Hold that position. You're going to feel some taps behind you, okay?
Okay.
Alright. This one will move. I'm going to feel some pressure behind your head.
Much better, so.
Good. Again, crushed ice on there, right? If you're sore, it's your first one. I think you did really well, though. Got your back
Yeah,
though.
no, appreciate it.